Hi, I'm Taylor, Business Development Manager at Professional 𝗨𝗚𝗃𝗧𝗏, bringing you the property management update for the month of June. The end of financial year is officially here. Can you believe it? This financial year, our property management department have been faced with a myriad of changes. According to REIWA statistics, Professional 𝗨𝗚𝗃𝗧𝗏 have leased more than 3 times the number of properties in comparison to our local competitors over the last 12 months. Above all, we have seamlessly adapted to the ongoing demand of rentals and are still seeking new properties to expand our portfolio to service our tenant database. With winter weather expected to worsen, it's important that owners and tenants action preventative maintenance to minimise the effects of this weather. Gutter cleaning, tree pruning and roofing checks are smaller maintenance items a landlord can undertake to prevent major damage to the home. If you're a tenant, please ensure you're effectively ventilating your home to avoid the risk of mould developing. Any automated reticulation should now be turned off in line with water restrictions put in place by the Water Corporation. Here at Professionals, leasing and looking after your home is our focus. So if we can be of any assistance with your real estate needs this season, please get in touch today.